Rådhusgatan 34. Nässjö, Sweden. Staircase A. The only staircase at this address. The 1967. This is the same building then to Postgatan 11. Zero numbers 5, 6, 7. Strange. Maybe it's not the real ASEA-Graham, because the other one has different or completely different one. Third floor. Four pros, so 320 kilograms. This one is a bit smaller. Basement. Our ground floor. The fluorescent lights sounds bad here. I think it's going to break down soon. Or maybe it's that other one that is already broken. Probably. Third floor. So this building, yeah, this building only has 5 floors, including basement. Inspected by G Act and maintained by Nordic cities. Ground floor. So I have already filmed 5 amazing letters in Nässjö. And one of them is just the Connie-Wieser letter with no inner but it's still amazing because it has 2 sides and it's fast also. Ground floor. Also they are rare in Sweden, and these ASEA-Graham letters are rare, unfortunately, but at least I got them filmed. Some of the last ones in Sweden, or there are maybe 200 of them, or I don't know, but still. Okay, that's it.